In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gold in Tradingview. To get started, open Tradingview and make sure you're on the charting screen. This is where you'll be able to search for instruments and load them directly onto your chart. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. The process is very simple once you know where to look. Once you're inside Tradingview, click on Product. This will take you into the main chart area where you can work with different markets, symbols, and assets. If your chart is already open, you're in the right place and ready for the next part. Now that you're inside, look toward the top left section of the screen. You'll see a search bar there. This is the main symbol search area, and it's where you can quickly find the asset you want to display on your chart. In Tradingview, many assets are searched using their ticker symbol rather than just their common name. So this part is important. In the search bar, type in XAUUSD. This is the symbol commonly used for gold priced against the US dollar. Using the ticker helps you find the correct market faster and avoids confusion with other related instruments that may also appear in the results. After typing that in, look through the results and click on Gold. Once you select it, Tradingview will load the gold chart for you. At that point, gold will appear directly on your screen, and you'll be able to view its price action just like any other market on the platform. Once the gold chart is already open, move your cursor over the gold symbol area. Hovering over it can reveal additional options depending on your Tradingview layout. This is useful if you want to interact with the symbol, review quick details, or access shortcuts related to that market. You can also add gold to your watch list. This is a helpful step if you plan to check the gold chart regularly. Adding it to your watch list makes it easier to find later without having to search for XAUUSD again every time. It's a simple way to stay organized, especially if you track multiple instruments, and that's it. That's how to add gold in Tradingview. Once you know the symbol and where the search bar is located, the process only takes a few seconds. If you want to keep your workflow smooth, saving it to your watch list is a great final touch so you can access it quickly whenever you return to the platform.